Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Windows 10 if your USB device is not tethering. This is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we're honestly going to just jump right into it. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and you want to left click on it to open it up. And now you want to type in Device Manager. Should be listed right above Control Panel. So you want to left click on that. So I'm going to expand this view a little bit so we can see a little bit better. And now that we are in Device Manager, I'm going to expand the network adapters area over here. So for you guys, it's likely going to say, and you want to look for something that says Remote NDIS based network sharing, and it will likely say device at the end. So in my case, I only have one network adapter here, but for you guys, it should say Remote NDIS based network sharing. So once you've found that, you want to right click on it and then left click on Update Driver Software at the top of this context menu. Left click on where it says Browse My Computer for Driver Software, locate and install driver software manually. So left click on that. Then you want to left click on the second option here that says Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Left click on that. Where it says Show Compatible Hardware, uncheck this box here. And now on the left side, you want to look for the manufacturer of Microsoft. Again, Microsoft, so you might have to scroll down. Unfortunately, I don't think you can expand this screen size at all, so you kind of have to go kind of slow just to find it. So once you found the Microsoft one, now on the right side underneath Model, you want to look for something that's going to say USB RNDIS6 adapter. So scroll down. We see we have something that says USB RNDIS6 adapter, which is perfect. Then you want to click on Next. It's going to say installing this device driver is not recommended because Windows cannot verify that it's compatible with your hardware. Now you might be getting that no matter what the case is, but you want to make sure you click on Yes. In my case, I'm not going to install because that is not what this network adapter is. However, if you are experiencing this problem and you're trying to hook up your USB tethering device, you should not have to worry about that. It shouldn't be your main network driver. So then once you're done, I'd recommend installing it. It'll be a pretty automatic process from here after you click on Yes. And then at that point, you should restart your computer and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.